Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Air Jordan 6 by Nike's Jordan brand in collaboration with Paris Saint-Germain. This is released on Saturday the 27th of July 2019 here in the UK, and it comes in a classic black Jordan box with grey and black speckling cement print on the side, and on the lid you get a large red Jumpman logo. Open up the box, you get the shoes wrapped in black plastic, and besides the Paris branded infrared lace locks, I would have liked to see more accessories like a special hand tag, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This Jordan 6 is inspired by PSG's new grey, black and infrared pre-match training kit. It shares that speckled zigzag print on the tongue. The outside is more subtle with a grey and black print, while the liner pops more with more of that infrared hit. Speaking of infrared, the small tab on the lateral side says Panam, which is a nickname to the city Paris. It features a grey and black nubuck upper with some translucent light mocha details, especially on the heel pull tab and on the sole. This Jordan has a clear air bubble with creamy white internal airbags. The outsole is then finished off with a large infrared Jumpman. Two quick things I like about this release. One is wearability. You can't really go wrong with black and grey, and I like the simple, classic colour blocking. Two is the subtle premium details. For example, the term ICEST is embossed into the insoles, which stands for Here is Paris. What's cool is that on this shoe on the heel, the Paris Saint-Germain emblem is customized that swaps the famous Eiffel Tower for the classic Jumpman logo. Also, if you look closely at the mid panel, reflective infrared underlays the small holes, so expect that to pop at night. Overall, this is a well done collab in my humble opinion. It's a big step up from the previous Jordan 1, which felt a little bit plain and lacked the premium details compared to these. This should definitely please all Jordan 6 fans as well as PSG fans. Sizing wise, the Jordan 6 tends to fit a little bit long for me, similar to the Air Force 1, so I'll stay true to size if you have wide feet or go down half a size. I hope you found this quick unboxing useful. Sorry about the lack of on feet. I didn't pick these up personally, but I wanted to quickly share my thoughts on these. Now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or are these not for you? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment saying to show me you watch this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all relevant links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.